Ready, start. Learned additional public prosecutor fairly submitted that order taking cognizance suffers vagueness, but whatever grounds are taken on behalf of the petitioner may also be available to them before the court below at the appropriate stage, that is, hearing on the point of charge. Full stop. So, no interference is required by this court. Full stop. Para. From the plain reading of the complaint petition, it appears that complainant has specifically stated that in terms of clause 9 of memorandum of understanding, the amount lying with electricity board and telephone department are to be paid by the company to him, but at the same time, it is also stated that connections were to be transferred in the name of the company, and if the money is returned to the complainant, he undertakes to return the same to the petitioner, but the complainant, though has stated about non-refund of the amount so liable to be paid to him by the petitioner, but is completely silent whether connections were transferred in the name of the company or not, and since prima facie transfer of connections in the name of the company and payment of money by it to the complainant appears co-related with each other and depending upon interpretation of relevant clauses of memorandum of understanding, but perhaps before the court below, neither copy of memorandum of understanding was there nor relevant portions were placed. Full stop. Para. In the complaint petition, the complainant is again silent about taking any step taken by him for complainant is again silent about taking any step taken by him for refund of the money from the authorities concerned, and any hindrances put forward by the petitioner or the company is absence thereof. No criminal offence is made out against him oblique them. Full stop. Para. As submitted by learned counsel for the petitioner, that the relevant security deposits in the name of complainant are still lying with the authorities, and the petitioner at any point of time neither has put any hindrance nor raised any objection in refund of the amount to the complainant by the department, nor any such objection could have been raised. Full stop. Para. In view of the above discussions and considerations, at best it is a case of non-refund of the amount to the complainant, opposite party number 2, relating to interpretation of the terms of memorandum of understanding dated 12-10-2004 and its compliance. Full stop. Such dispute is completely of civil nature, for which remedy lies in the civil courts, and by no stretch of imagination criminal proceeding may be initiated, but the court below has taken cognizance for the offences under Section 403 and 418 of the Indian Penal Code without any material attracting commission of any such offence, and in such criminal proceeding which is squarely covered more than criteria prescribed in famous case State of Haryana versus Bhajan Lal, reported in 1992, supplementary 1 SCC 335 is permitted to continue. It will be nothing but abuse of the process of law and wastage of precious judicial time, full stop. It may also be against the interest of justice to direct the petitioner to go before the court below for discharge and face further pain, full stop. Thanks friends watching my video. Like, share and subscribe please.